Good morning, students. I hope you all are good and doing your study well. Today, I am going to play a game with you. I will ask some questions, and every question will have some points. Count your score till the last question. So, first, I will tell you a story and then ask you question. So, first story is one day Rita was passing through the corridor of her school. A student passed a few remarks on her that hurt Rita. Rita came to her classroom and begged for a while. एक दिन रीता कॉरिडोर से जा रही थी. एक स्टूडेंट आता है, उस पर कोई रिमार्क बोलता है जो कि रिया को अच्छा नहीं लगता है, रिया को दुख पहुंचाता है. तो रिया क्लासरूम में वापस आती है और रोने लगती है. इज़ दिस एवर हैपन टू यू? ऐसा आपके साथ कभी हुआ है और आपने भी क्या किया हो, आप भी रोने लगे हो? इफ़ यस देन योर स्कोर इज़ -1. इफ़ नो देन योर स्कोर इज़ 0. Second story is after offering prayers at a religious place, your parents decorated you with a religious symbol. A few children belonging to another religion made fun of you and you immediately informed your parents. You immediately informed your parents. अगर आपने ऐसा किया है, if this ever happened to you and you do the same, then your score is +5, and if no, then your score is 0. Okay. Next story is Chinky is a social person. She loves to make friends. Suddenly, one member of her group started taking interest in everything she do. He does not care for her privacy. She politely denied him personal detail and want. आपने कभी ऐसा किया है? If yes, then your score is +6, and if no, then your score 0. Alia neighbor's son is 3 years older to her. Whenever her parents go out of home, he slips in and pretend to be very good to Alia. आलिया ने क्या किया? आलिया अप्रिशिएट हिज केयर एंड लव फॉर आलिया. क्या आपने भी कभी ऐसा किया है? इफ़ यस देन योर स्कोर इज -4. इफ़ नो देन योर स्कोर इज 0. नेक्स्ट स्टोरी इज वन ऑफ योर क्लासमेट pets on your shoulder and back frequently. When you object, he laughs and says, I am just kidding. This time you complain about him to your parents and principal. Have you ever done this? आपने कभी ऐसा किया है? If yes, then your score is +9. If no, then your score is 0. Next story is you attend a workshop and learned that harassment is a bad behavior. It offends, hurts, and humiliates the harassed. So no one should ever harass anyone. If yes, then your score is +2. If no, then your score is 0. Next story is you complained about your classmate to the principal for his bad behavior. Suddenly, other students started ignoring you. You stay quiet because ultimately everybody would know the truth. आपने अपने क्लास के एक बच्चे की शिकायत कर दी प्रिंसिपल से. कभी क्या होता है कि आपके क्लास के बच्चे आपको इग्नोर करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, तो आप क्या उन पर रिएक्ट करेंगे? नहीं, आप शांत रहेंगे. और क्योंकि आपको पता ही नहीं, अल्टीमेटली सभी बच्चे जानते हैं कि ट्रुथ क्या है. तो अगर आपने भी ऐसा किया है, देन योर स्कोर इज +5. इफ़ नो देन योर स्कोर इज 0. A boy of in your school or neighborhood always teases you and threaten you to do something that can harm your reputation? You are very worried. You did not share your problem with anyone. You did not share your problem with anyone. If you do so, then your score is minus 12, and no, then your score is 0. Next story is, you have coined a funny nickname for your friend. आपने अपने फ्रेंड का एक फ़नी निकनेम रख दिया है जो कि आपके फ्रेंड को पसंद नहीं है. शी हैज़ रिक्वेस्टेड यू सेवरल टाइम नॉट टू कॉल हर बाई द निकनेम. उसने आपको कई बार कहा कि उस निकनेम से उसको मत बुलाओ. बट यू डिड नॉट केयर. लेकिन आपको कोई परवाह नहीं है, है ना. तो अगर आपने भी ऐसा कभी किया है तो देन योर स्कोर इज़ minus 10, एंड इफ़ नो देन योर स्कोर इज़ 0. नाउ add your points and write your point in comment box. Okay, so there are some good notes. Laws are very important for us. They help us live together and keep us safe. They also make sure that we are treated fairly. Second, anything that is permitted by the law is called legal. On the other hand, anything that is not permitted by law is called illegal. As per law, harassment is illegal in every country. Any unwanted physical or verbal behavior that offends or humiliates you is called harassment. So, do promise to yourself that neither you would harass anyone or nor allow other to harass. Thank you.